All right, time to take a look at the kauplus Plastic Mini Chisel Scraper Set. So this is a 2 plastic, and I love how rigid these things are. Like, that is the main thing about plastic scrapers, is sometimes they're a little too soft and they've just been a little bit too easy. This has the benefit of being a soft material, so you're not going to worry about scratching up whatever it is that you're working on, but also being solid enough that it's not going to bend and warp and like get damaged itself if you have to work a tough project. I really like seeing this nice big handle on here. Most of these style scrapers come with a very short handle and something that's actually kind of uncomfortable to hold, but this one is actually a well-designed scraper. We also have a hole in the top, so if you want to, you can hang this guy up, and we have a fairly sharp chisel point, and we have structure on both sides. So very cool. That is a very good design. Now, what I use things like this for, especially, is going to be for like removing caulking around bathtubs or anything like that. But if we got a nice hard surface like this, and it has things like that are now popping off, this can help to remove all that without actually damaging anything. So yeah, this is a fantastic little scraper. Cool. Yep. These are some very high quality scrapers. I am very happy with that.